Hi guys. Today we are going to I'm going to show you how to make cookies. Actually, these cookies are already pre-made. My sister got me this for me, and I decided, you know what? Why not show you how to decorate and make cookies? So first, step one, and I'm also gonna have my mom help me. Step one, wash your hands. I use soap and water. I don't know what you use, but I use soap and water.
I don't know what else you would use.
A bar of soap and water. Sometimes you don't. Dish soap. Cranberry juice. It doesn't matter. You have to wash your hands with something.
Cranberry juice really isn't going to cut it.
Yeah, but it would bring all the toxinated germs.
No, it would just make your hands sticky.
Okay, true. But then, what else would you do? What else would you use?
Soap and water. I guess in a pinch you could use laundry soap.
I mean, but
You just have to rinse really, really good.
Yeah.
Otherwise your hands would taste like Tide.
Then there's a possibility you could die. Step two, open your container.
Not on me. Okay, well don't do that.
So that's what we've got. Okay, so before you start anything, go ahead and have a baking sheet with parchment paper and lay out your cookies.
Or wax paper.
Or wax paper. It's just that you have to have some protection.
Okay, keep talking.
I don't know what else to say. Just lay out your cookies in a nice, calm manner. Don't get angry at the cookies. See, I don't know what I'm saying because I've never done one of these before.
Well, but you do lots of videos, so. Okay, there's some candies.
Ooh,
There's some icing tubes, and there's some candies.
Sprinkles!
Okay.
And you can always reuse or recycle your box.
Yeah, we'll recycle it. I'm going to set it to the side right now.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
And I'm in my pajamas still, and it's 11:03 in the morning. Go, Tara.
Okay. We have to be real careful with these so they don't spill.
But we have.
Huh?
So my idea is that we follow these, like the patterns of these. I thought.
Yeah, I don't think that's going to work because you're not going to have enough candies
Yeah, true.
to do all that they did.
There's 31.
Yeah, well,
Maybe
okay.
we'll have enough. I don't know.
I'm going to start out with blue.
I'm going to start off with pink.
You start.
Okay. God, you're making me nervous. So what should we talk about when
I don't know. I'm using blue here. And then I'm going to get some yellow. And if I was feeling really, really creative, I'd mix them together and make green, but I don't know how creative I am feeling today.
We just want to be spontaneous. It's fun being spontaneous.
Well, I'm gonna have to start boiling the eggs here pretty soon so we can decorate them later.
So there's the top part of mine. Looks very
Cute. Let me have pink, please.
I'm gonna use blue now.
Okay.
Oh.
Trying to take off a lid that's not there.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is actually kind of fun, but
Yeah.
a little time consuming, but that's all right. That's part of excuse me, part of the fun. So
what I'm doing is just I'm putting yellow between like the spaces.
Do you know any Easter songs, Tara?
Actually, no, I don't.
Okay.
I know there was a few on Musically, and I'm like,
well, here comes Peter Cottontail
Oh,
hopping
no,
down the bunny trail. Oh,
now I remember.
that's cool.
Yours looks very fun.
I like yours. Yours is very creative.
Thanks.
Mine's just kind of
Man, it's kind of there.
yeah. It's me.
I don't know what we should talk about because it's really
I
quiet.
know. Here, well, why don't we get back to decorating and then we can pause and finish and then show them when we're done. Okay?
Okay. So guys, we are just about done with, okay, now we are done with our eggs. They're very beautiful. I will go piece by piece. So this first one we have here, this is the tally mark for 5 sauce. Good. Hey! That's actually funny. And then my second one goes out to these 4 lovely boys, because they're not men, they're 2. It's One Direction. And then this one is Zayn. I just put like a little Z decoration, and I went for yellow. And so these 2 actually go together. They are my Twitter name. And it's actually my first Twitter account. And it's like, it's just, I really like it. And then the last one I'm going to show you that I made is this one. This was the first one that I made. It's very colorful. And then, Mom, would you like to show you one?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show the ones that my lovely mother made. So, the first one is this kind of really cool tie-dye. She mixed the colors using a Q-tip. Not a Q-tip, a toothpick. Dang it, why can't I speak today? Anyways, yeah, it's really cool. Tie-dye. And then she made this one, which is like blue, pink, yellow, blue, pink. You get it. And then she made quite a few. She made this one, which is really pretty. She added sprinkles to it. Now that I think about it, I never did add sprinkles to any of mine. And then she made this one for me, which I thought was oh so generous. And then she made one for herself. And then she wrote Dad, and I kind of decorated it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. then again, I'm sorry that we haven't been uploading recently, but remember, I will try to film and upload a video tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun to make, and I love you guys.